Unlock a smarter way to shop on Temu and split your payments with ease using Clearpay. First things first, head over to the Temu website or open up the app, browse through all the amazing deals on clothing, electronics, home goods, and so much more. Find those items you've been eyeing and add them to your cart. Once you've filled your cart with all your must-haves, navigate to the checkout page. Here you'll see a summary of your order and the total cost. Look for the payment options. You'll see various ways to pay. And right there, you should find Clearpay as a selectable option. Tap on Clearpay to choose it as your payment method. If you're new to Clearpay, you'll be prompted to create a quick account or log into your existing one. This process is designed to be fast and straightforward. Clearpay will then show you how your total purchase can be split into 4 manageable, interest-free installments. You'll see the amount of your first payment, which is due immediately, and the dates for your subsequent payments. Review the payment schedule to ensure it works for you. If you're happy, confirm your Clearpay details and proceed with your order. Your items will be processed, and you'll then manage your payments directly through Clearpay. And that's it. You've successfully used Clearpay on Temu to spread the cost of your shopping. Enjoy your new purchases without the immediate financial strain.